So guys, I just picked up the bumper. It's looking crazy. Yo, it's so hard to see my car like this. Oh my god. But today, she's gonna get her bumper back again. And my tire leather is just gone. I have to buy new tires. But I will talk about that in a little bit. So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So a lot of things happen in about a week. I was driving to my work and from nowhere I went over so a lot of things happened. I was driving to my work and from nowhere I saw a plastic bag on the road, and I didn't think nothing bad about it, so I just went over it. And when I went over it, the plastic bag just like blew out my tire. I don't know what did it had. I don't know what happened. I just heard the big explosion, and the car just went up. And when it went down, I was thinking, oh, my new bumper is just fucked up now. But so I pulled over, and then I saw that my bumper was a little bit cracked, but I don't think it was from that. But either way, I had to wait for like an hour or 2 hours for the tow truck to get here to get to my car, because my car is so low I couldn't change the tire, so that was a big problem right there. I had to wait like 2 hours for the tow truck, and when it got there, the guy told me, "Oh, your car is too low. I can't do nothing about it." I'm like, "Yo, what the fuck, man? You got me waiting for 2 hours, and then you can't even fix it? Like, yo." So what I had to do was by myself try to take out my bumper. It was a struggle because it's an aftermarket bumper, so it's a struggle. So I had to do that, and then he was able to tow my car to his truck, and then he just took it to a mechanic, so where I bought the new tires. But I wasn't mad. I was sad because, you know, I have tire letters in my car, so in that tire I lost my tire letters, so now my car looks weird. So that's the only bad part about it. But I took advantage of the moment that I had my bumper out, and I took it to get painted right there. So that's what that is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go pick up my bumper because it's painted now, so I just have to put it on and the car will be looking great again, but without the tire letters. So that's the only downfall about it, but it's all good. I'm gonna order more tire letters and I'll be fine. So guys, I just picked up the bumper. It's looking crazy. Look at this. Oh my god. Yo, back to normal. Yo, it looks like a different car. The only bad thing is that this wheel doesn't have the tire letter, so it looks weird now, but it's all good. I tell you, already in the process of ordering some new ones. But yo, this car is looking crazy. Oh my god. Is this mine? I don't think so. But yeah guys, so the next step for this, I'm gonna be buying the rear bumper, and I already bought the spoiler, but I forget what I'm saying. So yeah guys, that's the final look of the Amuse bumper. Painted, put back together, looking crazy stupid again. It's amazing. My back hurts because I was trying to put that bumper again. Remember, aftermarket bumpers are not easy to put in or to put out. They're really hard because it's not the original Nissan bumper for the car, so it's not gonna be perfect. So it takes some patience and time to put those bumpers, but it's all done now. On my way to pick up a friend, and we're gonna be getting some water and toilet paper because I don't have none. So, and after we're gonna go to the shooting range because I'm trying to buy a gun. So let's go. So yeah guys, this is the second part of the series I wanted to do about making this car the ultimate Nissan 370C out there, and that's pretty how it looks now. It looks amazing. It's just it took a lot of time, patience, and it's getting there where I want it to be. So it's looking pretty nice, and I actually like this without the Nissan logo in it. It makes it look more sporty, and it makes people think about what car this is. So it's pretty cool. I like that about it. And the same I'm gonna do with the back. I'm gonna buy the same bumper, the same brand, and just put it back here. And that bumper, it's not gonna have the Nissan logo or the 370C logo. So yeah. Also, another thing that is gonna come to this car are the spacers. I'm gonna take out the tire a little bit more. Same here, because if you see from here, there's like a little bit of a gap here, like this right here. I want the tire to be right here, sticking out. Same here, see? It makes the car look a little bit weird like this. It would be better if the car was, you know, a little bit out here. So that's coming next. Also, good news, I'm buying the intakes, and it's probably gonna be here probably like next week, I'm not sure. With everything going on with the coronavirus, everything's just like everything's just hard. Like deliveries, they're not doing it anymore, so I don't know how long it's gonna take. So hopefully we can get it by next week. But yeah guys, this is how the car is looking right now. Like with this car, okay, remember this car, the bumper is not Nissan, it's Amuse, so it's not original from Nissan. So you're gonna have some minor fitment issues, like right there, I show you over there, same here, just minor issues that you can't really see, you can't really fix, but you know, from far you can't notice it. You have to be like really really close to like notice all of that. But yeah guys, that's part 2 of the series to make this called ultimate goal, the ultimate 370C out there. So stay watching the videos, and follow me in this journey. Subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.